Ikea releases so many new products every single month. We covered some of them in the last video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Mon, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea find for this spring, and that is this beautiful ceiling lamp. You know that I have a thing for lamps, and I always start with them when I'm making my lists, and this one is really something special. I mean, you'll have to agree with me, this one doesn't look like it's from Ikea at all. It looks so unique and so high-end, like it's from an expensive light store. Such a cool product that spreads the softest light, and such a great substitute for changing your boob lamps. Another new Ikea find is this simple and sleek floor lamp with 2 spotlights. This floor lamp has 2 independently adjustable lamp heads, each with its own on and off button, plus the lamp heads can rotate to direct the light where needed, which is so smart. Loving how this one looks. A table lamp that's new at Ikea this month is also the SAMBORD Desk lamp. This one was already released as a floor lamp at the beginning of the year, and now they made it as a clip-on version too, which I love so much. Simple, sleek, and so functional. Moving on to furniture pieces, one of the best finds for this spring is the LÅDMAKARE Open storage combination. This is a new series at Ikea and I'm all for it. I mean, just look at this design, it's so good. Plus, for a shelving unit of this size, it comes at a great price point for $120. It also comes in a combination with sliding doors. I love this one so much, especially this oak effect that looks so natural and is so easy to coordinate with other furnishings and various styles thanks to its timeless design and light and airy look. Another open storage shelving unit that's new at Ikea is this cute little red shelf. This one can be used freestanding, no wall mounting necessary. You can store and decorate with things you like, so you have them close at hand in your bedroom or living room. Such a fun piece. And when we're talking about pops of colors and fun furniture pieces, check out this new Ikea dining chair they just released. I mean, this one looks so interesting and so fun. It comes in 3 color options: natural wood, this vibrant yellow, and black. This one is made out of layer glued birch veneer and looks so interesting, fun, and comfy. Another chair that's new at Ikea is this upholstered swirl chair. This one has such a traditional design, but it's so comfy. Plus, I love the fact that it doesn't have wheels. The practical and comfortable swirl function allows you to easily get up from the desk or makeup table without moving the chair. You can actually adjust the chair height to your preference by pulling up on the level below the seat. Loving it. A new product for the bathroom is this sink base cabinet in a pale minty color. And although this one is made out of recycled plastic, it looks so good. Plus, it comes at only $19.99, which is amazing. This one will fit perfectly even in the smallest bathrooms, since the wash basin base is only 50 centimeters wide and has sliding doors that don't take up extra space when you open them. Loving it. Another new product I absolutely love is this gorgeous mirror with built-in light. I mean, this one looks so cool and so stylish, and it will elevate any bedroom while making it that much more functional. And when we're talking about the bathroom, there is a new collection at Ikea I really love, and that is the Basingen collection. This collection consists of a few new products, and we're starting off with this towel rail, which looks so interesting. This one is made out of steel and has such a simple design with softly rounded corners. Plus, there are no visible screws as the hardware is concealed. This one will make such a statement in any bathroom. Also, this toilet roll holder, which is one of my favorite finds from this collection. This one also has a shelf on top, which I love. This whole series with clean and simple expression in dark gray is actually designed to make everyday tasks at home easier by offering a helpful hand when you need something to grab and hold on to. Maybe it's designed for elderly people, but I really like it and I can't wait to see it in stores. A part of this collection is also a shower chair and a step stool with a handrail, and I love both of them. They're so functional for the whole house. Now moving on to the kitchen, one of the best finds for this spring is this basket with lid. This basket is perfect for storing fruits and vegetables or other food. I love it so much. Plus the bamboo lid makes it easy to stack more boxes one on top of the other, which is so smart. Another new product for the kitchen is this oil/vinegar bottle that comes at $5.99. This one looks so good and will elevate any table setting. Also, this salt and pepper shakers, which are also a part of that same collection. These look so interesting and I can't wait to see them in stores. Moving on to the core pieces that are new at Ikea this month, a find I have to mention is this tea light holder. This one has such a funky design and I love it so much. It also comes in a larger version too for pillar candles in this beautiful dark pink color. Another new decor find for this spring is this funky vase in dark blue. This one has such an interesting and unique shape that will add interest anywhere you decide to place it. And we are finishing off with a collection I was so excited to see at Ikea, and that is this duvet cover with egg/flower prints. I just love these colors and the print itself. I think it looks so fun. This one's made out of a soft cotton viscose blend that breathes and has a fine sheen. You can also get this design as a cushion cover, which I love so much. I just love the fact that this egg also looks like a flower. Such a fun design. And it also comes in a poster version too that is sold together with the frame for $19.99. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked these new IKEA finds. If you did, make sure to let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hi Mars, I have your favorite sausages just for you to wake up. Yummy! Are they yummy? You want another one? Here you go. Okay. And another one from the subscribers. Okay. You're the cutest doggo. You're the cutest doggo. Bye bye, Mars.